Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I am Muhammad Faisal Amin, an assistant teacher from Berpatar Government Primary School, Shibganj, Bogura. Dear students, we have been away from our school and classes to prevent ourselves from coronavirus disease 19. Dear learners, today I welcome you to my third online class on English of class 5. Dear students, let's start our class. First, I would like to show you some pictures. You must see the picture very carefully and must think about it and try to understand the picture. Please see the picture. Dear learners, I am helping you to understand the picture. In the first picture, we can see a man is rescuing a child and a tree is blown down. And in the second picture, we can see some people are working together. They are rebuilding their houses and some are planting trees. These are the happenings after some natural disasters, maybe cyclone or flood. Dear learners, in my last class, our class was on Cyclone Aila. Today we will read the rest part of Cyclone Aila. Take your pen, exercise book and textbook and write down Cyclone Aila on your exercise book. Dear learners, I hope you have written down. Dear learners, before reading our text, we must learn some important words which will help us to understand the text clearly. First, we shall learn the word awful. Its spelling will be AWFUL, awful. It will not be awful, it will be awful. Its pronunciation will be awful. Dear learners, awful means very bad or unpleasant, অর্থাৎ খুবই খারাপ অবস্থা বা ভয়াবহ এরকম পরিণতি বোঝাতে awful শব্দটি ব্যবহৃত হয়. We can make sentence with the word awful such as the day was very awful, the day was awful, etc. Next, we shall learn the word mud. M-U-D, mud. It will be mud. M-U-D, mud. Its pronunciation will be mud. The meaning of the word mud is soft matter. Some soft matters resulting from the mixing of earth and water. অর্থাৎ কাদা, শক্ত মাটি বা শুকনো মাটি পানির সাথে মিশিয়ে যে পেস্টের মতো জিনিস তৈরি হয় সেটাকে আমরা বলি মাড, বাংলাতে বলি কাদা, বাংলায় বলি কাদা. We can make sentence with the word mud. We can say the farmer is covered in mud. কৃষকটির গায়ে কাদা লেগে আছে. একজন কৃষক যখন মাঠে কাজ করে তার স্বাভাবিকভাবেই তার গায়ে কাদা লেগে থাকে. আমরা এভাবে বাক্য তৈরি করতে পারি, the farmer is covered in mud. Dear learners, next we are going to learn the word shelter. shelter, 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 its pronunciation will be shelter. Shelter means a place giving temporary protection from bad weather. যে কোনো খারাপ পরিস্থিতি বা আবহাওয়া থেকে লোকজনকে নিরাপদে রাখার জন্য যে জায়গাটাতে থাকতে দেওয়া হয় সেটাকে বলা হয় শেল্টার। We can make a sentence, they took shelter in a school. তারা বিদ্যালয়ে আশ্রয় নিল। শেল্টার এটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি আশ্রয় কেন্দ্র বা আশ্রয়স্থল। নেক্সট we shall learn the word survivor. Survivor, 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 it will be survivor. Survivor means a person remaining alive after an event in which others have died. এমন কোনো ঘটনা ঘটেছে যেখানে সবাই মারা গেছে কিন্তু একজন বেঁচে আছে, এরকম ব্যক্তিকে বলা হয় সার্ভাইভার। উই ক্যান মেক সেন্টেন্স উইথ দ্য ওয়ার্ড হি ইজ দি অনলি সার্ভাইভার। তিনি একমাত্র জীবিত ব্যক্তি। হি ইজ দি অনলি সার্ভাইভার। Dear learners, next we are going to learn the word NGO. NGO means non-government organization. বেসরকারি সংস্থা, non-government organization. We can make sentence with the word he is working with an NGO here. Dear learners, I think you have understood well the meanings of these words. Now we are going to read the text. Open the book at page 96, unit 24, lesson 4 and 5. Listen to me carefully and put finger under the line. Cyclone Aila. The next day was awful. Babul's family couldn't stop crying. Nipa and grandfather were gone. Babul's father went out to look for them. He found Nipa in a field. She was holding onto a tree and she was covered in mud. She didn't remember anything. He took Nipa at home and began looking for his father. He looked in the fields, the buildings and in the trees. Many people in Bangladesh were missing after Cyclone Aila, and Babul's grandfather was one of them. The family never found him. After Cyclone Aila, people worked together. Nipa's school became the shelter for the survivors. Babul and his family went to live in the school. The government of Bangladesh and workers from NGOs came to help, but things were very hard. There wasn't enough safe drinking water or food. So many people became ill. In time, people repaired their homes and rebuilt their villages and bridges. They planted new trees and new crops in the fields. Babul feels happy when he looks at the trees and his sister Nipa, but he feels sad about his grandfather. His grandmother says, "Don't be sad, Babul. Grandfather wants us to live for the future." Dear learners, I think you have listened to me carefully. Now you have to do something. You have to write true or false. If true, write true, or if false, write false. You will be given 3 minutes for this task to do. Now you can start your activities. Dear learners, hope you have finished your activities. Now match your answer with my solution. Hope you have matched your answer. Dear learners, now write down on your exercise book your homework. Your homework will be writing a letter. Write a letter to your friend telling him about recent flood in your locality. Dear learners, hope you have written down. No more today. Stay home, stay safe, and I hope you will be with us in our next class. Assalamu alaikum.